Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reverse velocity video edit on CapCut CapCut mobile, not CapCut PC. So select your video first and then just go to style and then go to velocity, and I just selected the flash one, and you can adjust the beat frequency and the speed and the rest. And then just export that first by pressing the button here. I've already exported the video, so I'm just going to stop that. Okay, quit. There we go. Your video should look like this, somewhat like that. Then you're just going to select the video that you've exported. You're then just going to select the velocity, and you're going to go to the part where you want to split it. So split the video here, and I'm going to split it again here, and then I'm going to press on the video, and I'm going to scroll to the left, by pressing the reverse button, which is here. And I'm going to do that to the clips that I want to be reversed here as well. And that should be it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!